Alright, check, sound check, testing. Bation naman eh. Alright, let's go sa module number 22. Module number 22. Alright, bacterial gastritis. Wow. Bacterial gastritis. Bacterial gastritis and GI ulcers or gastric ulcers. Alright, gastritis. Alright. It is suspected when a person has upper abdominal pain with nausea or heartburn. Gastritis. Duodenal ulcers, duodenum, of course, experience gnawing, gnawing, burning, aching, mild to moderate pain just below the breastbone, alright, dalom lang sa breastbone, alright, duodenal ulcers, an empty feeling and hunger. The pain usually occurs when the stomach is empty. So, nagabatsyag ka sang sakit kung wala unod ang tiyan. Ano mo ginatawag nila nga ba si may ulcer ka na. Alright. Next, gastric ulcers. Tandaan siya si H. pylori na. H. pylori. Right, H. pylori pathogen, H. pylori, ginambay, bago lang, nursing, liwat-liwat. Gram-negative bacillus, mode of transmission, infected humans serve as reservoir. Transmission probably occurs via ingestion sa pagkaon. Presumed to be either oral, or fecal-oral transmission. Alright, basta kaon na. Next, Campylobacter enteritis from asymptomatic to severe. Tandaan si Campylobacter enteritis is an acute bacterial enteric disease, sulod enteric. Guys, asymptomatic, mga asymptomatic may symptoms wala. Wala. Asymptomatic to severe. Kaya no, no, nawala. Tapos gulpe lang nag-severe. Alright, with diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, fever. Alright, lasting 2 to 5 days. Stools may contain gross or occult or hidden blood, tago nga dugo, mucus, and white blood cells. Tandaan guys, Campylobacter enteritis are Campylobacter jejuni and nigro. And less commonly Campylobacter coli. The etiologic agents yeah, is Campylobacter jejuni. Jejuni. Mode of transmission, poultry, cattle. Anong cattle? Dra guys, tar ang hari. Charot, hindi. Cattle guys. Sapat. Kadla mo to. Bukaw. Joke. Alright, sheep, swine, rodents, birds, alright, kittens, puppies, and other pets. Use under precautions for hospitalized patients. Standard precautions lang. Cholera is an acute. Guys, nagyan na natin si cholera, si L-Tor. Tama? Si cholera, si L-Tor. Profuse materistoso occasional. Guys, nagyan to. O, amunin ka pang buho. Chan? Ay, hindi. Si ano na niya. Ah, so, nang pang perforate man. Wait. Cholera. Cholera. Guys, nagyan. Tama na. Sorry. Salmonellosis. Wala. Di siya. Nagyan na ni siya guys. To. Namba ko nakakaya. Buo ni Muchan. Wait lang. Perforating stomach. Perforates stomach. Uh, peptic ulcer. Hindi. Yeah. Ano to gani man? Peptic ulcer. Cholera to ako. Amoeba. Buangit. Alright. Why ko din nabasa. Pero, why di? Amoeba. Alright. 50% of untreated people with severe cholera die. Alright, cholera. Tandaan, Vibrio cholerae. Cholera, Eltor. Tama. Cholera. Ano ganing Eltor ah? Other name? Blue Death? So si amoeba ang other name. Ari na lang o Eltor. Cholera ah. Okay, salig si mo, ano ako, tinunaan ako. Alright. Vibrio cholerae, Eltor guys. Alright, these are curved, comma shape, gram negative bacilli. Paano pasa? Paano pasa? Infected humans, aquatic reservoir. Infected humans, aquatic reservoir, Zulu, plankton. Okay? Fecal oral. Fecal oral, guys. Contact with what? Muson, sukas, ang mga infected people. Alright? Ingestion of fecally contaminated water or foods. especially raw. Ang wala blan na ano luto mayo ara siya, si siya undercooked shellfish and other seafood. Transmission by flies pwede man, bukadamo gali. Sige lang, tandayan lang si cholera. 50% na patay ah. Hmm. Hmm. Salmonella, bala yun yung nagyan naton mga wala na luto mayo. Alright? Manok, actually pwede sa ido. Kuring dog cats. Family Enterobacteriaceae, named Salmonella enterica. Are, si Salmonella enterica. Typhoid, rash sa trunk, about 25 patients. Alright. Non-productive cough and constipation. Typhoid fever is a systemic bacterial disease with fever, blah, blah, blah. Salmonella typhi. Tandaan, typhoid fever is caused by Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi. Kay typhoid, typhoid. Infected humans serve as a reservoir for typhoid and paratyphoid. Some people become carriers following infection. Following infection, shedding the pathogens of their feces or urine. Shigellosis. Shigellosis, Bacillus dysentery, ay tae man Japan guys ah. Shigellosis is an acute bacterial infection. Pila na kami? 6 na. Lining, small and large intestine producing dairy as many as 20 bowel movements a day. Mga ganun ba kung nga tae, gani, ka-20, kagidya mamuson, pero sobra guys, with blood, mucus, and na. Imagine na guys, ka-20 ka mamuson, sa isa ka adlaw, nga may dugo, may na, kag may mucus. Alright? Tandaan na, shigellosis, bacillary dysentery. Shigella dysentery, Shigella flexneri, Shigella boydii, Shigella sonnei. Din siya makwa, direct or indirect fecal oral transmission. Alright? Basta tae man ah. Alin sa tae, tapos nagkadto sa kuko, tapos ang kuko sa mga Indiano, charot. Right? Kung sino man ang nagaga-prepare sang food, ang kuko ya may, may pathogen, butang ka ng tubig, ang gatas, guys, masailogin na siya. Actually, ang langaw pwede. Flies, so, can mechanically transfer organisms from latrines to food. May tae, ginataihan, latrines. Tandaan, use standard precautions, add contact precautions for diapered or incontinent patients. Ehek, ehek diarrhea, enterosolid hemorrhagic bleeding, E. coli, diarrhea, E. coli, aring pathogen yung E. coli O157H7. O157, Flagellar antigen designated H7. Alright? Standard precautions magyapon. Etek na. Ina to ehek.